Mga bitsapamong kolorete king lupa ang pamanyulod presentableng imalan, bayo ya sumabaking gera. Makanini ang may kilala ang matenakang babaeng Kapampangan na Iremedias Gomez Paraiso o Commander Liwayway at tubong barangay Anao, Mexico, Pampanga. Metong yang legendary hook militar leader alinaban karing Hapon inyang World War II.
Yung kwento ng Commander Liwayway, I think it's very inspiring. One of the most inspiring war stories during World War II. Kapampangan woman niya, very young before the war, 1930s, anak yung vice mayor na maging mayor, very dainty, very pretty, local beauty queen. Pero akit muna atining burning love for the workers and the poor.
Ana pang Rabbit Antingco, ang direktor na ni Holy Angel University Center for Kapampangan Studies o HAUCKS, mabutlik ng 50 hanggang adondala na kilalakinan din kayang penimunan inyang panahon na ito.
She became more famous uling wata ka nung bayo ya lumusob, mag-makeup ya, mag-lipstick ya, uling she really wanted to look her best. Uling ka nung yata ba, lupot na matay, so she wanted to look beautiful when she died.
Kaya rin ang ikwaing katimawanan ni bansa inyang simbutla ring Hapon king Battle of Kamansi inyang World War II, belaos na pa makipaglaban para king karapatan daw rin talapagobra. Makanyan mo naman king social justice ang pong equality.
She was so brave, she became a national celebrity. Uling she even had an audience with President Manuel Rojas, King Malacanang. And like a true brave Filipino Kapampangan woman, talagang segutan niya. Peki bataning alang takot ang presidente. Kasi sabi ng presidente kaya, kababae mong tao at lalaban kang makanyanan. So peki batane sabi na ipaglaban ko po yung karapatan dareng kalupaming peasant sa peki po terorista kasi she was being accused of being a terrorist.
Ing pepakit ng kabanyan king gera ing meging sangkanan ng kay kasikatan king mabilog bangsa. Mibay siya Commander Liwayway inyong July 12, 1919 at may ang uyabeking edad 93 inyang May 15, 2014. At ngayon Biyernes, July 12, pegmasasyon na rin kapamilya, government officials at aliwa pang memalen ing kayang kabayan niyan.
People say she was a great leader of the Hukbalahap and the revolution. Yes. And she was able to do that by being the best soldier and follower. She will not ask someone, especially those under her command, to do something if she wasn't willing or able to do it herself, realizing that the cause is greater than anyone, including herself.
Metong amisa ing midaw na tekyanan ni Pamamustin ng Gomez Legacy Park king Balen. Kikilala mo naman king tatang ng Commander Liwayway ay ang dating vice mayor at maging acting mayor na ng Balen ay Basilio Gomez. At ang kapatid ng akayabe na king pamakilaban ay Oscar Gomez o Commander Laperal. Makanyan mo naman yung pamaganville king historical marker ang pag-estatwa ng Commander Liwayway anting pamamiyagalal kanini.
Kaya buring kalingwan ito sinabi ng Rizal through Elias Oribara na ikaywa ng manakit kaya bukang Liwayway. Sana na kayo ko kalingwan balikdan. Detang mengatwag kalibutan na ning dalumdum. Pero sabihan detang migalebi para kita mo liwanag.
May ito nga ordinansa muna man ng pesar na ning Sangguniang Bayan o SB ng Mexico at kikilala kang Commander Liwayway anting bayani. Samantala, agpangkantanting ko, may itong yamo i-Commander Liwayway karing matenakang bayani king Labud, Kapampangan.
Balo mo, kaya pa mag-research making Kapampangan Center, dakal kaya pa akakit ang gangin. Emo king documents, kasi the historical documents, may atong lang bundok. Mila pang abasangan deta. Maliban kareta po, dudurot kami kayong Pampanga, makadiscover kaming tao, either war veterans or they are descendants of war veterans. Kwento de ing gewada rin kalalang pengari o grandparents.
Ako, inki ko'y talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.